Hi, it's Bonnie from Three Birds Renovation, and we're at our latest project, House 14, the Three Birds Dream Home. I'm here with Nick from ModularWalls.
Thank you, good to be here.
And we are standing in front of your modular wall.
It looks amazing. I could say I was involved in the particular construction of this one and the cladding of the wall.
The thing I love most about modular walls is, well, there's a couple of things. Most people forget about the front yard and it being a usable space. And so for Candace, we wanted to have something out the front where she could entertain, the kids could play safely. And what we did was create like a little fire pit and, you know, an area where that can happen. But that's what's great about a modular wall. You know, you can pop it up quickly. Like how quickly?
Sure. I think the wall itself was installed in a day. It's one of our estate walls hiding underneath here. So very cost effective, very quick to put in, lightweight.
And it literally was a day. I remember, I mean, I'm pretty much gobsmacked every time there's one in our house because the transformation is instant. You get there in the morning and by the time you leave, you've got a front fence, which is like, boom. The main reason I love it is because it's all customizable. So for instance, here we've put on the veneer stone, which is, you know, that look-alike kind of sandstone cladding. So we've seen the front wall.
Yes.
Let's head on out the back because the back wall.
I love it.
Oh, I love it. This is the finished product because you bled over this wall, didn't you?
I bled personally. I didn't install this particular slim wall. One of our installers did, but I came and put the tiles on. So
I know.
I'm not a tiler, so it just does show the versatility for the DIY.
I mean, the wall was put up in like...
Oh, this would have been a matter of hours.
Yeah, it was literally...
There's 4 posts, 5 posts I should say, 3 sections and,
literally.
And it's off. And obviously the modular wall, the panel behind, being our Acoustimax 50 panel, smooth fibre cement finish, you know, it's perfect just to adhere tiles to. And
a lot of people, you know, or even if you're putting in a pool, you don't want to look at the timber fence, you don't want to look at the
No, we do a lot of pool
fences.
areas. We have a lot of inquiry for that where people are putting a new pool in, they've spent $50,000 putting a pool area in, and they don't want to look at a timber or a metal fence. What
we did here was obviously went with this gorgeous coloured tile, but then we built, you know, the little day bed off it.
It looks great.
And I mean, we've built many things off your modular walls.
Pizza oven on the last
Pizza
house.
oven, what else have we done?
Shower.
The showers, this decking now. So there's lots of different things that you can do off the modular wall.
Yeah, and I think it gives you a perfect, to some degree, a blank canvas and to sort of stretch your design freedom.
Yeah.
And look, you've even got the towel hooks on here. It just really ties the whole thing in. And I'm really happy and pleased to come back and just see the result.
All right, thank you so much, Nick. We
Thank
have
you.
loved working with you on this
I
one.
love the opportunity.
Look, if you want to see more of what Modular Walls can do for your home, head on over to their website.